Good evening, USA, and today I have little baby birds. These baby birds are called chicks. See here? They're my little baby chicks. See? This one right there, see? He's got his legs, his beak, his eyeballs, and his fur. Yeah. That's what he got. Three of them are males, and the other three are females, I think. And there's a lamp where they can relax. It's almost about to fall on them. Yeah. They're my baby birds. See? Here's this guy right here. See? Nice drumsticks there. Okay. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. And whoever leaves me the funniest comment gets to have one of my birds when they grow up. So you have an American night. Take care.